Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change only top page margin in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select file option and choose your page setup option. First I'll choose whole document. Now here you will find this top margin option. I'll increase it 3 and simply select OK. And see this, all of these pages top margin now change here. Also I'll change a specific page top margin. Drag your mouse, select your text area and page. Now select file option again and select your page setup option and make it, I will make it 1.5 and simply select OK and see this top page margin now says. In this you can change all of these pages or specific pages top margin. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.